Twitch. 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 Say hi, kitty. Say hi. Does my camera smell good? It should. Oh, picture fell. Creepy. It's dark out. Oh, Miranda! That's a bunny.
What?
Twitch was sniffing my camera.
Oh, the camera's going, it's gonna see my ass crack. So.
You still got green on you. It looks blue.
Put purple on his face.
No!
My bed is warm. You got a cold bed with sucky.
I have a cold bed that's sucky. Really? Yeah.
Your bed's a bubble head.
It's a bubble head. Yeah. My bed's a mess. I gotta make it. Then I gotta put all these clothes away.
What?
I gotta put all these clothes away you threw on my bed. Ow. I'm gonna go play with Twitch. Go. I'm afraid you're gonna bite me. You're so soft. Go. Hey, Coco. Hi, Michael. Twitch. Oh, I'm on crack. TV. Dun. Just, yay. I get a lot of lip rings and gauges. Superman. Sorry, I'm a crackhead. Twitch. You asked your mom for a pop and you already have a pop, you dork. You said you asked your mom for a pop and you already have a pop.
Well, I want more pop. Finally, that's my last fruit boost. I want more pop.
We should have asked your mom for the food stamp card. We could have got a pop.
You know, I might have the food card.
You should look. Nice butt. It's very sexy. Very sexy. You know? Very sexy. Yeah. Hey, Twitch. Hey. Broke. You want to slim on my camera again? It smells like me. It smells like a vampire. Oh! Kitty eyes. I think the cat thinks I'm on crack.
No, I don't.
Damn it! Oh. My bad. I have $1. Something. I'm okay. It's so dark. Anyways, hi Michael. Bye.